What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be talking about a belt that I picked up from Louis Vuitton. It is the men's Louis Vuitton Initials 40mm reversible belt. I picked it up in 95 centimeters, which equates to a 36 waistline. Yeah, I gotta knock off those pounds, guys. I shouldn't be rocking a 36 waistline, but nonetheless, today we're gonna be doing an unboxing, the first impressions, and at the end, I'm gonna compare it to my Jasper wallet in monogram canvas, Vuittonite color Jasper wallet in monogram canvas here with a black calf leather lining. They match together perfectly. This, like I said, is the reversible belt, so it's actually monogram print canvas on the front, and then you can actually reverse it to get to that black calf leather on the back for a more conservative look if you don't feel like showing off the monogram canvas. So without further ado, we're gonna get into the box here. Normally this comes with a ribbon on it, but I took the ribbon off because I wanted to make this unboxing a little bit easier. So for those of you who have never shopped at Louis Vuitton before, they sort of package this up with a bow tie on it to make it more presentable. I took that ribbon off. It's a blue ribbon with Louis Vuitton written in yellow on the ribbon. Not really a big deal, nothing special. It actually matches the blue pull tab here on the front of the box. So to give you an idea what color blue it is, it's the same color blue as this pull tab here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box itself. So this pulls out like a drawer, and you're greeted with a really nice receipt envelope that they put in the box for you when you make your purchase. On the inside here is my receipt. As you can see, I bought it at Louis Vuitton in Naples. The belt was $575, came out to about $612 after tax, so very expensive, but I really wanted to match my wallet, and you know, I really love good quality designer products. So let's go ahead and get into the knapsack here. You do get a dust bag with all Louis Vuitton products, including belts, even though you will be wearing it most of the time. But just in case you ever want to pick up another Louis Vuitton belt, you'll always have this knapsack, this dust bag to keep your belt in along with the box. So keep the box, keep the papers, keep the dust bag, because if you ever want to put this away and wear a different belt, you definitely want to keep it in this bag because it helps it maintain the high quality that it is. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the drawstring bag here, and voila, nicely folded up for us. You've got the Louis Vuitton 40mm buckle in silver on the front of the belt here. And like I said, you've got that beautiful brown monogram canvas print on the front, and on the back is that black calf leather lining that I was talking about. And just to give you guys an idea of what the black canvas looks like, or the black leather, excuse me, I'm gonna go ahead and flip around the belt buckle here so that you guys can get a good idea of what the black looks like. So there's black, and this is a very interesting belt. It's not like your typical belt where it latches down. It actually sort of just slides into the bottom of this loop here, or hoop, or whatever you want to call it, and then this pin on the back snaps into place, and your belt is sort of free balling in the back there. But yeah, you've got the Louis Vuitton silver logo for a very conservative look with the black calf leather. As you can see, it matches perfectly with the black calf leather on the Jasper wallet here that I have. And if I want to flip it around and really match it up to the monogram canvas on the Jasper wallet, then I sure as hell can. So let me go ahead and flip this bad boy around for you guys. Snap it into place. It's super easy to reverse, and it just slides into place like so. So there it goes. That is the Louis Vuitton in monogram with the Jasper wallet there. As you can see, it's a beautiful combination. Both match perfectly. One thing that I do want to mention to you guys is the belt does not smell the same as the wallet, and to me that's a little bit disappointing. I really love the smell of the monogram canvas wallet. So as you see, my wallet's black on the inside here to match the black on the back of the belt. I thought it was a perfect combination. This particular belt was made in Spain, and like I said, it is a 100 centimeter, excuse me, I actually said I got the 95, this is the 100. So this is really for a size 40. If you guys are interested in the different sizes that these belts come in, you can always go to Louis Vuitton's website and see for yourself the different sizes that all the belts come in. And just like so, she loops up and she can be put back in her bag. Absolutely beautiful belt. You know, it doesn't fit like a normal belt. Let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like on me. So I'm going to show you the canvas side first. And as you can see, that's what it looks like. It matches really well with the wallet there, which is exactly why I bought it, because, you know, these are kind of collector's items. They're not collector's items per se, but they're pieces that you collect. So, you know, you don't go and spend $575 on a belt just so you can have a belt. You know, you kind of want to match it, and it's supposed to last a lifetime. So each year they come out with new designs, they come out with new products every single year, and you pick a style and you build on that collection. And depending on how much money you've got, you can either build that collection really fast, or if you're someone like me who has barely any money at all, who kind of has to work really hard to buy these things and to keep them, you really want to buy something and take your time and build your collection, which is the reason why I went with the monogram canvas, the brown belt. Some of you may think, oh, you know, that's a little bit on the basic side, you know, that's what everyone would go with. But like I said, you know, you buy these items and collect them, you know, it's just another piece in the collection now. So yeah, there is the Jasper wallet with the 40mm men's reversible Louis Vuitton belt in monogram with black calf lining on the back. I picked this up at the Louis Vuitton store, which makes it a convenience good. You can also pick it up online, which would also make it a convenience good. Came out to about $5.75. After tax, came out to about $6.12. Really enjoyable belt. I'm gonna wear it for a little while and tell you guys what I think about it. I'll check back in with you guys in like a week or in a month, and we'll see how it wears. I'm also gonna try to get some other Louis Vuitton products on the channel. My mom has some handbags. I'm going to try. I'm not going to guarantee that I'm going to get those things on the channel, but I will try. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was just an unboxing and the first impressions of this belt. Really love it, really love the style. Like I said, it doesn't fit like a normal belt. You kind of have to get used to the way it fits. It clamps down differently from a normal belt, and it wears differently from a normal belt, and it's something that you have to get used to. So I'm gonna go ahead and get used to it and let you guys know what I think in a week, in a month, in a year from now, because I do plan on keeping this belt for a long time and having it for a long time. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is John, and I will see you in the next video.